Okay, I'm in my office, which is the first video I've ever done here. I'm getting a lot of echo, as you can tell. It's not a real big room. It's about, 8 by 12, I suppose. I rented this space 3 years ago. And as you can see, I've got a map here of locations where I've got trikes. I have not updated this for 3 years, so I think it's time to get one of the grandkids in here and have them help me populate my map. I got at least twice as many pins to put in there. Got a display here with some of the awards I won many years ago, back when I first started the business. And I've got my prototypes here. There's a Stealth 11, which was a ST 1100, which is the black bike there in the middle. And then my Goldwing at the top there, the one I sold here last year. I got my Valkyrie there, which has, I think this was one of the previous builds. That one's been done 3 times. So, and at the bottom, that's the Yamaha Raider we did for the SEMA show in Las Vegas. And, you know, pretty much just a little sampling of some of the deals. I have a book here that has all 51 builds in it. I've got parts here from my Victory, my V92 that I'm going to be doing here. And got a nice gas tank there. It's got a little bit of rash on the side there, but no dents. Pretty nice. I think my painter will be able to work with that just fine. Yellow side cover. Doesn't matter. We're going to repaint the whole bike anyway. I've got some glass packs there that's going on. The new headlight came in today, which has got LED signals built into it, which I think are going to be useless. I don't know how you're going to see the signal light with the headlight on. And I've got a 16-inch cross-country rim there, which will replace the 17-inch that's on there. So parts are coming in. This is really about all the parts I need to get that bike restored. And I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a video here on the process and how much money I have into it. I'm not going to count my labor because, you know, it's my own bike, so it doesn't really matter. I think I paid $550 for the bike. That's a 2005. And I probably got another $250 in parts. I figure parts and everything, and once I get the frame and all that built, I should be around $1,200 to $1,400. So I'll have a pretty nice machine for almost no money. So anyway, I will be getting that in the shop here hopefully within the next month, and start to first get it put back together so it starts and runs, and then convert it to a sport trike.